going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, previews and vlogs. So today I finally got the Cadillac back and I could do a video on it since I guess it's gone since the 11th of last month. Got it back yesterday actually and washed it up and everything, and I've been just kind of trying to do a video because I did get the interior trim, all the panels in there pretty much wrapped in carbon fiber print. Instead of buying the $800 or $900 carbon fiber trims that actually come from Cadillac for these cars, I just had them wrap it. Cost me a fraction of the price, and I'm gonna just share that with you guys and install that. Also, I am gonna show you guys a new foam mount, especially with these laws now that they have with, you know, where you have to pretty much keep your hands on the wheel at all times. I got a new foam mount from the car from PROCLIP. They sent me something in the box here, and I'm gonna open that up with you guys. But we'll do, actually, you know what, we'll do the foam mount first and then I'll install the trim. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me in the box. All right, so before I used to use this one. I got a video doing an install and review on this. Of course, not much to install other than putting it on the vents. But this is, or was, the mount that I used to actually use. It was a wireless charge mount, automatic, and for some reason it stopped working. The arms won't open anymore. If you force them open, you can, but you're gonna mess up even though it's already messed up. So that didn't last very long. So here's what, let's see, PROCLIP sent me. In the box I have the actual mount that's gonna be mounted onto the dash. Pretty cool. They sent me a t-shirt and some stickers. And the connector. Now this connector is going to be for the old Scosche magic mount charger that I used to have on my vents. This used to be on my driver's side vent closest to my door, and it used to block all the air coming out of it. So what I ended up doing is taking that out and replaced it with this one. And again, this one stopped working. So I was looking for something new, something else to use. So PROCLIP has these mounts. I'm gonna mount these right on the car right now and use this. Now, if you want to get everything from PROCLIP, you can just go ahead and order the whole kit. It'll come with this mount for the CTS or any other car pretty much. And again, this is not just only for the CTS, like I said, it's for any other car. It comes with the adapter for this, and they'll also sell you this along with the charging USB cable, as well as the 12 volt outlet or 12 volt plug into your car. So let's go ahead and mount this first before I show you guys what I'm going to put onto the dash. Alright, so let's go ahead and use this to pop this panel open, and this first piece is going to go in here. Well, that was easy enough. So that popped right in there. Of course, you get a slight gap out of here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. There's still like a slight gap compared to this. There's no gap, but I guess that's the way it's gonna be mounted on there. So once that goes in there, this piece here, we have to take the screw off the center here. All right, that piece, so we can mount this onto here. So let's go ahead and do that first and get the screws for that. So now it's just a matter of, so you got all these holes you could actually put the screws in. It's a matter of where I want this mount to be, if I want it to be lower or higher on here. So I want to get high, and of course you can always change the position of where you want it to go. I'm gonna put it right in the center right there. Actually, seems like it fits the best there. Or you could also go this way if you wanted to. So might do it that way. It is an actual swivel mount, which is the newer mounts they have, so it doesn't matter. Actually, it won't really matter which way I put it. I'm gonna put it, yeah, it won't really matter because it is a swivel mount, so that won't really matter. So here, we'll just lose a screw, of course. With that's in all in tight there. We're going to take this mount back on here, the swivel mount. And screw everything back in. course, the more you tighten it screw, the more. I think once it's set in position, you should be okay just to tighten it down though. Right there. All right. Last but not least, of course, the actual charger, which goes right in just like that once that snaps in. Now, of course, once this is on, I have the cable running through this side, which I'm gonna have to take this apart. So took this panel off because my cable ran through here to go to the charger, which used to be on this side, but since the charger is being put on this side, we have to move it. Now, I myself do not like wires just hanging everywhere, so I'm actually gonna be running this cable in through here. So I'll be right back after I run that cable. All right, so now that that is done, and I pretty much ran the wiring through here, had to take the 7mm bolt that's in here to loosen this panel out, just so I could get it in here, and then this panel just pops right out of here. The only place it's showing is on this side. Of course, I'm not gonna see it because I'm on the driver's side. But if I wanted to, there's actually, like, if I wanted to drill a hole in here and push inside the glove, the center console, I can. But I'm not gonna do that at this point in time. But this is as good as it's gonna get. I can't see the cable on this side, which won't bother me as much. So that's already connected. So as soon as the car gets power, of course, you'll notice a light will turn green on there. All right, so now that's on there now. So pretty much right now I have to go get the, I got a phone case already. I have to put the metal plates on the back. So this is magnetized. It comes with two little metal plates. If you don't, in my situation, I already had used the metal plates that came with this when I first bought this mount. So I am actually gonna had to order another set from Scosche to get them down here. So I'm gonna go put those on the actual case right now. We're gonna see how this setup looks from by inside. All right, so let's check it out right now. So, oh, let me get the key for the car first. All right, so let's start the car up. Of course, you see the light come on there. Now I've already installed the two metal plates on the back of this. This just goes right on there. It starts charging right away. See that right there, and pretty much that's it. That's the phone mount from PROCLIP. Actually kind of looks pretty decent. I wish it was on this side, but again, they are supposed to try to keep you away from the phone, but that does actually kind of give it a nice aesthetic. They're still angled towards me. I can see it. I can still reach the phone if I need to reach the phone. If it was on this side, I think it would be actually in my way of my knee and everything like that. So that's that. Wanted to show you guys that quick install and stuff like that. Again, the update for this phone mount that used to be up here before, not the best one. I wouldn't buy it. It does, especially if you live somewhere hot, it does get all messed up. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the new trims. I'm gonna actually show you guys those pieces. All right, so this is the box. And this is in the garbage. So these trim pieces I picked up actually from somebody in a CADILLAC group in Facebook, and they were just your regular, wood trim pieces, just like all the other CADILLACs come with. And I had my buddy at Levati Graphics, or the same guy that did all my chrome delete and on the other video, and of course all the carbon fiber chrome delete on the car. He went ahead and wrapped these up in a carbon fiber print finish. Again, I wasn't gonna spend $1,000 on trim pieces from CADILLAC, so I say they look pretty decent. We're gonna go ahead and install them in the car right now. These trim pieces are actually very easy to get out. I'm gonna show you one. I'm not gonna go through the whole process. I'm just gonna show you one, how to get one out. And pretty much every one of them come out the same way on the doors and everywhere else. They come out the exact same way. You just need a removal tool. Sorry for the lighting in here, by the way, guys. I'm in the garage and the main light up there burned out, so gotta get that replaced. But all you need is one of these to pop the trims out, and then these just clip right back on there. There's no screws on, nothing holding them in there. They just pop out and pop back in. So let's go ahead and get one out of there, and then I'll go ahead and put all the other ones in and show you the finished product. All right, we'll start off with this piece right here. So now all you got to do, of course, is to get this trim piece out is get inside of here with it. Once that pops up like this, and make sure you get every side. Sometimes these other clips are still stuck in there, so, and that's the end of it. Nothing broke off. All the clips are still in there. And now we'll put the new piece back on there. Right, to put this piece back on there, now I'm doing this while I'm holding the camera here. This inserts up and in, and you just push it down, and now it's in. There you go. Now, if you notice right here, I'm not sure if the camera actually shows that, but he actually had my logo for my YouTube channel imprinted on the inside of this, so it actually looks pretty cool. You can actually feel it if you touch on it. But that's pretty much it. And all the other pieces on the doors go on the same exact way. So now let me go ahead and do this, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product on how it looks after I'm finished. All right, fellas. So it's all done. PROCLIP is mounted on. The carbon fiber wrap trim is on. All throughout the car. I think it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Not like the original equipment, but still looking pretty good all the way through. All right, guys. So I'm all sweaty here. I got the garage door closed and everything, so the sun wouldn't come in here and mess up with the lighting. But that's pretty much the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. Again, you could get that trim done anywhere. Anybody that does vinyl wrap, if you guys want to hit up Levati Graphics and send them your actual trim pieces to wrap in whatever color you want or whatever way you want to wrap, he'll set you up. Does a really good job. Again, I've been doing work with him for a while. You saw my car with the chrome delete on all over the car, as well as now the trim pieces. So hit him up if you want that done for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.